Dear all, welcome to Civil Services with ZAKI. Today we are going to start a new series, and basically this series is related to UPSC-PT 2024 current affairs series. And as you know, these current affairs series are very significant, whether it is 2021, 2022 and 2023. And as you know, 2022 and 2023, about 20 plus question directly asked from our these video series. So these video series are very significant. So let's without further ado, we start our today's topic, and today's topic is 2023 top 7 achievement in the science. And basically we start with the science and technology. So let's start and see what are the today's subtopic, and subtopic are gene editing therapy. And basically it is very significant and revolutionary discovery, and basically in 2023. And also moon mission, and as you know, India's Chandrayaan 3 and all that moon mission is also one of the significant event in 2023. Another is artificial intelligence, and you know, uh, basically various use in the artificial intelligence like the deepfake video and all that. This is the very significant milestone in 2023. So we will discuss also about the artificial intelligence, and also see the largest structure in the universe. So we also see what is the largest structure of the universe, and how they connected with the various collections of the galaxies. Another is the first appearance of oxygen 28. So oxygen 28 is the heaviest oxygen molecule ever discovered. And also another is neutrino cartography. So what is the neutrino cartography, what is neutrino, and all that we also discuss about this. And another is first non-Trojan planets. As you know, and much of you aware about the Trojan asteroid, but here is Trojan planet. So what is the Trojan planets, and where these Trojan planet discovered first time? Because it is also a groundbreaking discovery in 2023. So all these seven things is very gene therapy, moon mission, artificial intelligence, largest structure in the universe, appearance, oxygen, neutrino cartography, and Trojan strike. And as you know, we also provide you mega question for UPSC-CSE 2024, basically 5 most probable question. So why this topic is very significant, and what are the probable question for the 2024? So let's see one by one. First is gene. First is the context. So if we see in 2023, researcher made plenty of discoveries of the record book. In 2023, scientific superlatives shed new light on our universe, health, and technology. So if you see the especially artificial intelligence, so let's know about what are the top 7 achievement in 2023 in the scientific world. So in this achievement, we start first with the gene editing therapy. So see here, gene editing therapy. Gene editing therapy, if you see in November, United Kingdom Medicine Regulatory Agency become the first in the world to approve the therapy, basically uses CRISPR gene editing. So what is CRISPR gene editing? We also discuss about that, and also follow the United States followed in December. So in November, UK is the first country to approve the first gene editing therapy, and United States of America is the second. So what is gene editing therapy? Basically, gene editing therapy is a revolutionary biotechnology that snips the DNA like molecular scalpel, like you see molecular scissors. So you can cut easily DNA and fit another base pair. So it is very significant discovery, and forward step towards the new era of genetic editing. Let's see another thing is about the treatment. So what is the treatment about exactly about gene editing therapy? So if you see here, the treatment is called Casgevy. So Casgevy, what is Casgevy? Basically, it is help people with the condition use defective hemoglobin production. So if you see the hemoglobin production is defective or not functioning properly, including the sickle cell disease, so all these disease can be treated by these gene editing called Casgevy. Casgevy. So this is the one of the most significant. So if you move forward, see, therapy is started by taking blood samples, basically the blood cells collected from the bone marrow. As you know, the bone marrow is the basically where the RBC is generated. So if you want to know more about what is bone marrow and what is RBC, WBC and etc, then you can also join my regular science class, and basically these science class will be held on basically Zoom and other platform. So the cells are genetically altered in the lab, and so that they produce fetal rather than the adult hemoglobin. So it is the hemoglobin like the fetal hemoglobin, and then after that they infused into the patients. And after these therapy, basically significant improvement in the patient basically recorded. We also see and some is this graphics. And so also this basically this CRISPR therapy are also being developed to tackle the cancer, blindness, HIV and diabetes and many more. So if you see the coming year, whether it is 2024, 2025, is very significant for these gene therapy and the potential to eradicate or the control the several uncurable disease like the cancers and HIV and etc. So that's this is one of the significant achievement in the 2023 in the scientific world. So let's we move forward and see how this therapy work. So genetically therapy basically here sorry here here is the example about the sickle cell anemia. So as you know, first extract stem cells from the patient's bone marrow, as you know the bone marrow, and after infuse stem cell with the normal gene hemoglobin, and after condition the patient's bone marrow receive new stem cells, and finally insert treated stem cells into the patients. And after insert these treated cells, patients gain the patient basically gain to the good conditions and all that. So that's why it is the one of the significant discovery or one of the significant breakthrough in the scientific world. Another is the moon mission. As you know, our India became the fourth country to successfully put lander on the moon to the great fanfare, and you know that we celebrate and all our Indian are very proud about the Chandrayaan 3. So and also NASA announced crew for the next planned trip moon in 2024. The 4-person crew include first woman, first person in color. First person in color means white, non-white people like the black people or Asian people and other things. First non-American also. So first woman, first person in color and first non-American head to the moon in 2024, and it will be in the early 2024, and you will also find a video in coming in next this year on specific the Artemis mission, moon mission about the US. So as you know, our Chandrayaan is the great success. So if you see here Chandrayaan 3, so if you want to know more about the what is the Chandrayaan 3 and what are the India's legacy in space in detail, as you know, this question is also asked in UPSC mains 2023. 3. So this video and all our video is also significant for PT as well as mains. So let's see another moon mission. Other countries like slim mission. Basically, if you see the Japan Aerospace Agency JAXA launched this mission in September 2023. So slim mission stand for the smart lunar for investigating moon. So it is basically the lander to investigate the moon surface. Another is the Korean Pathfinder lunar orbiter. So slim missions Japan, and also Korean Pathfinder lunar mission, and it is also known as Danuri. Official, it is known as Danuri. This mission is the South Korea first lunar orbiter. So it is also South Korea's first lunar orbiter. So see, this is slim. This is South Korea first lunar orbiter. So see here, it is Korea Pathfinder lunar Danuri. It is Danuri. Basically, it is the lunar orbiter. And another is, if you see here, it is Japan's slim smart lander for investigating moon. This is Japan. So So year 2023 is also very significant for the moon missions regarding India and all other countries in the world. Another is, if you see, artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is also very significant. One of the biggest news maker in the year also is artificial intelligence. If you see the San Francisco tech company OpenAI's. So OpenAI's conversational bot Chat GPT. So Chat GPT first launched in November 2022 and was estimated to have 100 million monthly user by January 2023. So what is the Chat GPT? So if you see, the Chat GPT is the short form of Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer is the long form of the Chat GTP. Chat GTP is the short form of this. So it is an artificial intelligence chatbot that uses natural languages processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. So as you know, this technique is used basically very some of the app in our day-to-day life, whether it is deepfake videos and all that. So if you see, the artificial intelligence has been growing across the industry. About 35% of company using artificial intelligence in 2023, and some of the industries have the highest adoption rate, include the financial service, healthcare, retail, and manufacturing. So all these industries are basically significantly use these artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence in one place is very good, but another is very bad consequences, like the deepfake. If you see some fake video, this fake video is like real, like our Gandhiji and Father of Nations video. Several video, deepfake video is falsely basically claimed this is the Gandhiji's video, or this is Einstein video, or other great basically people video. So these are also concerned about among the scientists and policy maker to how to stop the misuse of this artificial intelligence. But in future, artificial intelligence will be one of the major necessity of the human life, whether it is on Earth, Moon, or beyond beyond Moon or Mars. So that's why this is also one of the significant achievement of the science in 2023. Another is we see the largest structure in the universe. So what is the largest structure of the universe? So see here, for the first time astronomer have spotted enormous galaxy scale shock wave. So these shock waves are galaxy scale, rattling the cosmic wave. So it is basically so see like a cosmic wave that connect nearly all non-galaxy of the universe. So all non-galaxy of the universe connected with these cosmic wave. So these cosmic wave could reveal clue about the how to the largest object in the universe were speculated. So this is also one of the significant discovery. So the discovery was made by stacking thousands of radio telescope images together, which revealed the soft radio glow produced by the shock waves for the colliding matter in our universe biggest structure. So all these are connected with each other, and these shock waves are connected all known galaxy in our universe. So see here, this is, so in this picture you see simulations of the cosmic waves showing the shock waves producing waves. So this pink is the shock waves, and all known galaxy of the universe connected, whether this galaxy, all galaxy of the universe, known universe, and all known galaxy are connected by these shock waves, and crash through the magnetic field. And if you see this blue structure is the magnetic field of the area. So this is the largest structure ever found in the our universe. Another is the fifth, and it is the first appearance of oxygen 28. It is also one of the significant achievement or discovery, or the discovery in 2023. So see here, for the first time scientists created oxygen 28. Basically it is a rare oxygen isotope that 12 more neutron than the oxygen 16. The most common, as you know, the oxygen 16 is the most common form of oxygen on our planet. So newly created heavy oxygen isotope has the highest number of neutron ever seen in any oxygen atom. So it is also one of the significant. So to create, so how these oxygen 28 created by scientists in 2023. So if you see, the team led by the researcher at the Tokyo Institute of the Technology, basically these are the Japanese scientists, basically blasted the beam of fluorine 29, an isotope of 9 protons, at the high liquid hydrogen targeted Riken Arbai beam factory. Basically it is situated in Wako, Japan. Upon impact, both the hydrogen and fluorine lost one proton, and finally 1 proton and 28 left. So which created entirely a new molecule called oxygen 28, and this research is published basically in the journal Nature, according to the study published in August 23rd 2023 in the journal of the Nature. So this is also one of the significant discovery in the scientific world. And also, as you know, this oxygen 28 is very little survive, and finally they converted into the oxygen 24. So it's also defy the normal physical model of the present scientific world. So what is the new model, or why this oxygen molecule don't basically it is ultra rare molecule but not survive a fraction of the second. So that's why for all these topic and all knowing all about the oxygen 28, 24, you must watch our upcoming video on oxygen 24. So let's see, this is fluorine 29, 1 neutron splitted at oxygen 28. and further they lose 4, and finally oxygen 24 created. So basically it is less more stable. So basically according to the magic number, it is more stable, it will be more stable according to the scientist, but it is not stable. So that's why all the scientific involved in this research surprised why this is not stable. So let's see the another significant achievement, and 6 is basically uh, neutrino cartography. So what is neutrino cartography? So if you see here, scientist ice cube neutrino observatory, basically presently ice cube neutrino observatory is the largest observatory in the world, and basically it has used 60,000 neutrino to create first map of the Milky Way made with the matter, not the light. So first map of the Milky Way without using the light. So scientists have tracked the galactic origin thousands of the ghost particle. As you know, neutrino also known as the ghost particle because it has no electrical charge, and also neutrino not interact with the light and other fundamental physical forces except gravity and the weak nuclear forces. That's why the detection of the neutrino is very hard to detect, basically very challenging task for the scientist. So it is the first ever portrait of the Milky Way made from the matter, so not from the light. So the groundbreaking image was snapped by the capturing the neutrino as they fell through the ice cube neutrino observatory. Basically it is a gigantic detector. It is a gigantic detector buried deep inside the south pole, means Antarctica. So this is also the neutrino presently the largest neutrino observatory. But as you know, another world largest neutrino observatory will be made soon. So what is these specific world largest neutrino observatory? If you want to know more about these observatory, then you must watch our this video about the neutrino observatory. uh, so let's see the seventh is so see here, first you see here the what is the neutrino cartography. So if you see the radio cartography of our universe, optical, as you know the our Milky Way look like this about the optical, and if you use gamma ray, so and it is neutrino. So if you see the neutrino particles, so see here, so it is basically these blue are basically neutrino cartography of our space, sorry, our galaxy, our Milky Way galaxy. See here, see here, this is the neutrino cartography of our galaxy Milky Way. So let's move forward and see the seventh and the last achievement. Basically, uh, uh, there are a lot of discovery in 2023, and as you know, you can find everywhere. But this is the some of the rarest discovery. So the seventh discovery is the first basically non-Trojan planet. So what is the first non-Trojan planets? What are the first non-Trojan planets? So astronomer had discovered the first evidence ultra rare Trojan planet. As you know, you heard about the Trojan asteroids, basically situated in the Jupiter orbit. But it is the first detection of the Trojan planet. Two sibling planets bound in the same orbit around the same star. Basically, the star is young star PDS 17, about 370 light year away from Earth. Basically, this star PDS 17 is 375 year away from uh, Earth, and it is basically situated in our galaxy Milky Way. So what are the Trojan planets? So first we know about the what are the Trojan planet. So as you know, 2 decades ago it was predicted in the theory. If you see the theory, uh, the pairs of planets, so basically Trojan planet is the pair of planets similar mass may share the same orbit and their star, so called Trojan. It can be called Trojan star, and it can also called co-orbital planets. Co-orbital planet. Trojan planet get their unusual name from two asteroid cluster basically seen around the Jupiter. So if you see here, the similar basically mass. Basically, these two discovery about the Jupiter mass size of this two planets. So if you see here, so if you see, it is a star and it is orbiting planets. It is a star and it is orbiting planet. So one planet is here Jupiter size and another planet is the same. So two planets in the same orbit, so it is also known as the co-orbit planet or Trojan planet. So if you find one planet and one planet is hidden, that's why it is called Trojan planets. So it is a star PDS 70 and these are the two hidden planet. So basically this is captured by the scientist in 2023. So it is also one of the great discovery in the astronomy. So see here, this is this discovery. So if you see, this is a star PDS 70, PDS 70, and this is Trojan. Same orbit with two Jupiter size planets. So this is called Trojan planet. So these are the these sevens are the one of the significant for the civil services examination. So let's we move forward and see the mega question for the UPSC-CSE 2024. Basically the 5 most probable questions for the UPSC, and one question is related to the CRISPR gene editing treatment, as you know. Another is Danuri mission, and third one is the largest structure of the universe. Fourth is the oxygen 28, question on oxygen 28, and fifth on the question regarding the neutrino. So all these 5 questions are very significant for you, and you can find these all question and answer in our description box. So please go to the description box for the detailed answer, and also you can find these answer. And also if you want to discuss about all these question and all these topic, then you must join our live class, and this is absolutely free on Zoom on every Saturday after this week. So first class will be held in this week, this Saturday, and also you can join for this class, and basically link of this video class will be provided our special group, and basically this special group only made for the 2024 student who are preparing for the civil services examination. So you can also want join this group for this live classes. So live classes will be held on this Saturday. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. We will meet with the next video with the next week. Thanks.